Imagine you've worked really hard on your sheet, and then someone accidentally changes a formula or important data. Don't worry. Today, I'll show you how you can unlock specific cells in Excel while protecting the rest of the sheet with a password, so others can only edit the cells you allow, and won't be able to change formulas or critical data by mistake. First, select the cells that you want to keep editable. Then press Ctrl 1. Go to the Protection tab, uncheck the Locked option, and click OK. This will unlock those selected cells, meaning that even after the sheet is protected, those cells can still be edited. Now let's move to the Sheet Protection step. Go to the Review tab in Excel and click on Protect Sheet. Enter a password, make sure it's something you can remember. Check the options below, select Unlocked cells, will already be ticked, which is necessary. Select Locked cells, ticked too, so that everyone can view the sheet, but only edit the unlocked cells. Click OK, then confirm your password. Your sheet is now protected. From now on, you or any other user will only be able to edit the cells you unlocked. The rest of the data will remain safe. If anyone tries to edit it, Excel will show a warning. This way, your sheet not only looks professional but also stays secure at all times. If you have any confusion, drop a comment below, and if you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.